Are you one of the countless Australians who love to hit the waves and soak up the sun on our beautiful beaches? While the allure of the ocean is undeniable, there's one danger that lurks beneath the surface: rip currents. These invisible currents pose a serious threat to beachgoers, causing concern and anxiety for surfers and sunbathers alike. But fear not, because we're here to introduce a game-changing solution, our cutting-edge rip current detection system. With months of research and development, we've engineered a state-of-the-art system capable of detecting rip currents in real time. This can be applied to instant alerts sent directly to beachgoers, empowering them with the knowledge to make informed decisions and avoid potentially life-threatening situations. Did you know that in Australia alone, an average of 26 people drown in rip currents every year, with thousands more being rescued? Surf Life-Saving Australia statistics reveal a troubling trend. The danger is not decreasing. Worldwide, hundreds, if not thousands of people fall victim to rip current drownings each year. Another pressing issue is the lack of effective rip detection. The ability to identify rip currents is crucial, especially on unpatrolled beaches where professional lifeguards are not present. Without reliable detection systems, these areas remain high-risk zones for beachgoers. Additionally, there's a significant risk to high-risk demographics. Young surfers, culturally and linguistically diverse communities, and rural visitors often have less awareness or experience with rip currents, putting them at greater risk. Addressing these vulnerabilities is essential to improving beach safety for everyone. Experience the future of beach safety with our groundbreaking solution, an advanced system designed to detect rip currents in real time. If instant alerts sent directly to beachgoers by our system, we can revolutionize beach safety and drastically reducing rip current-related drowning incidents. Imagine a comprehensive warning system that blankets every inch of coastline, from patrolled to unpatrolled beaches. Our solution ensures your protection no matter where you are. With cutting-edge technology at your disposal, enjoy the sun and surf with peace of mind, even in areas without professional lifeguards. Education is also paramount in preventing rip current tragedies. That's why we're dedicated to raising awareness through interactive online resources and targeted outreach efforts. Using advanced drone technology, we can fly above the beach, keeping an eye on things in real time. When rip currents start to form, the drones spot them right away. Then, our special website shows these currents right as they happen. That means people at the beach get important warnings right away, so they can stay safe. Additionally, our website lets people upload videos of rip currents they've seen before. With this extra feature, our website becomes even better for keeping beaches safe. With this solution, Current Affairs is dedicated to enhancing the safety of beachgoers, ensuring that you and your family enjoy a safe and fun time at the beach.